Hey everyone, how is it going? Is your Windows 11 PC refusing to shut down? Maybe click shutdown button, nothing happens, or Windows gets stuck on the shutting down screen forever. Don't worry, today I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve this problem. So let's get started. First, try a quick shutdown command. For that, press Windows plus R and type here shutdown space /s space /f space /t and space O or 0 and then press enter. This command forces Windows to close all applications and shut down immediately. So if the problem keeps coming back, let's move to the first fix. Open your control panel. For that, type here control panel here, click on it, click on category, click on small icons and click on power options. Click on large icons and then find out power options and click on power options. Choose what power buttons to, then select change setting that currently unavailable. Now uncheck turn on fast startup and click on save changes. Fast startup can sometimes prevent Windows from shutting down properly. Still having the issue? Let's check for Windows Update. Open the settings and click on Windows Update and click on check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC. Many shutdown issues are caused by bugs that are fixed in newer updates. Now let's try another fix. Close it, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for applications that are using unusually high CPU, memory or disk uses. Close any unresponsive programs before attempting to shut down. Still not fixed? Open the command prompt. For that, type here cmd run as administrator, click yes for the permission and then type here sfc space /scan now and then press enter. Wait for the scan to complete, then type. These commands repair corrupted Windows system files that may be preventing a proper shutdown. Once both scans are complete, restart your computer. And here's one final tip. If the issue started after installing new hardware, drivers or software, try uninstalling the recent changes and test the shutdown process again. Sometimes a faulty driver can keep Windows from powering off correctly. And that's it. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve Windows 11 shutdown problems. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment which fix worked for you. If your PC still won't shut down, tell me exactly what happens when you click shutdown. And I will try to help. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.